Hello and welcome to Travel Booking Planet. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of activating and deactivating the Hotelbeds integration within the Travel Booking Panel step by step, and how you can view its data in the Travel Booking Panel. If we go to Hotel Search here, in the Hotel Search, upon clicking the set button in the interface, we immediately receive a notification message informing us that at this precise moment, there are no active hotel subscriptions in our account. In our travel booking panel, no hotel supplier is active. We go back to the admin parent, and in the admin parent, we click on travel apartment. Clicking there, we can see below that we have three options: Amadeus Enterprise, Hotelbed, or Agoda, each clearly and distinctly listed. These are our three suppliers, and at the moment, neither Hotelbeds nor Agoda Hotel is active. Both are currently showing us no room availability for all of our requested travel dates. Hotelbeds is currently in a pending status. We come to this screen, click the pending entry and then confirm activation. Once clicked, channel status will change and it immediately becomes active. This is how you can activate hotel beds in the admin of the travel booking panel. We return to the website, and after returning to the website, we reload it. As soon as we search for it, we can see that this way the hotel beds data. You can activate and display these travel options in the travel booking panel at any point during your reservation process. Thank you for watching.